Let's turn to the base of memory. We often post stories on Facebook, but do you ever know that we can see these stories again? But how? Okay, so today's video is how to revise the old stories or pictures that we have posted from Facebook and how we can re-upload or saving them. I am using my smartphone to find out the old story. In that case, first of all, I have pressed the messenger option, which is the messenger option of Facebook. Then I am pressing the round icon at the end of the left side. That means our profile picture. You can see that a new page has opened. Scrolling down, you can see there is an option called Story. I'm pressing on the Story option. The first thing you need to do, you need to turn on the Archive Story option. You can see that already the option is on. If it is off, then you need to on it. Okay, then there are the story View Story Archives just below. Press this one. You can see all your old memories that you have uploaded by Facebook in different time, and also shows which date you uploaded. Choose anyone. There are three icons on the right side. Press it and you can see that the save option is coming. Press the save option and the image is uploaded or downloaded and go there in your gallery, and after that you can post it again. So this is how you can re-upload the old stories. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and stay with me. Assalamu alaikum.